Hi, let's dive into your Pro Webspace settings. To access your settings, click on your Webspace in the navigation sidebar and go to your Webspace dashboard. From your dashboard, you will be able to see each of the different settings options in this menu on the left. Let's go through them, starting with subscription. The subscription section is fairly self-explanatory. It will give you information about your subscription, including the start date and the expiration date, as well as renewal or upgrade options. Now let's go to Webspace customization. Here you can create or upload your own Webspace logo to replace the Symbaloo one in the top left corner. If you're looking to create your own, it's useful to know that the ideal size is 200 pixels by 50 pixels. You can also upload your own Webspace icon to differentiate your Webspace in the navigation sidebar. Also, on this page, you are able to choose a default center box for your Webspace, whether it be a search engine or a useful widget like the time, date display, notepad, or calculator. In the following section of your menu under Webspace Management, you will see Manage Webspaces. Here, you can assign and manage additional web spaces under the same subscription, each with their own Symbaloo URLs. This can be a beneficial feature for schools or districts who would like to assign different web spaces to each teacher or classroom. Just keep in mind that any usage that originates from these additional web spaces will be counted against the same usage limit on your original subscription. Moving on to the next setting available here is User Groups. With this, you can easily create groups and organize your Webspace users in different classes, subjects, grade levels, or any other way you can imagine. You can then specify which webmixes are visible to each user group. Users will be able to navigate to your same Webspace URL, but will be shown a different set of webmixes based on the group they belong to. Keep in mind though, in order to use user groups, each visitor will need their own Symbaloo account, which is not recommended when using your Webspace for children under the age of 13. Moving on to the next section in the menu under User Management, you should see Webspace Administrators and Users. In both sections, you can invite other Symbaloo users to join your Webspace. Administrators that are added can help you manage Webspace users, groups, or settings. Adding users helps you specify the webmix content that is seen by each user. At the bottom of the User Management section, you should see Messages. This simple tool allows you to send messages to all the users on your Symbaloo Webspace. Messages will be shown as a notification near the top right corner of the user's Symbaloo account. Let's move on to the Security section of the menu, where you will see IP blocking and web filters. These settings can help you and your IT representative set or restrict access to specific computers or website categories. On the IP blocking page, you can control Webspace access by setting a whitelist or a blacklist of IP addresses. The Web Filters page can block links to websites that identify under certain categories that may be deemed inappropriate for students. In the bottom section of the menu under Integrations, you will see Authentication. Authentication settings will let you enable or disable different login settings on your Webspace. Helpful for easy sign up if your students already have accounts on platforms like Google, Microsoft, or others. And lastly, at the bottom, this checkbox allows you to hide your Webspace and require a user login to access your Webspace. We only recommend this if you have already set up all the necessary users inside of your Webspace. This concludes the overview of your Symbaloo Pro Webspace settings.